Yesterday is Wednesday, but I meant to do some freestyle Tuesday, but I published it. I published the song, but I recorded it, but I forgot to publish shit. I know. But now I'm gonna just do a regular freestyle. It's probably gonna be whack, but you know how we do it over here. LOL, smiley face, company. That's how we give it up. Oh, Name Michael Alexander Evans Jr. And once I blow up, you can never contain it. I'm like a raging bull. Once I see the color red, I'm coming after you. Just like arrow on deck, you already know what it is. Stay so fresh, you could really just blow this. OMG, can you even see me? You look like an Asian. I'm on TV. I'm the beast. Can you get me out of this cage? Michael Alexander Evans Jr. is the wave. All my white people talking billion, I'm the wave. I'm wavy like the ocean, aquatic. I'm so fresh to death. I make that look like a joke. I am the realest person in this room, and it's probably because I'm the only person in this room, but I'm about whatever, man.
Fuck what they be talking about. Their opinion doesn't count. We the only thing that matters. So we do it how we do it. All up in the face, man. I hate to put you through it. I be up all night, whole crew's in here. Cause I don't really know who I'ma lose this year. Oh, man, I love my team. Man, I love my team. I would die for them niggas.
I'ma get it. I make you feel so broke down, you not with it. Cause, wait, let me think about these rhymes again. Who's the blackest kid you know wearing black skin again? I'm about to go off to you, and you already know I got them blues clues. Oh, I got you feeling blue like sorry who a damn. I'm the man. Cam Newton can't hold me. I'm untouchable. Denzel Washington, he's unrollable. Ladies run me down like how I do the dog. Yeah, Chris Brown told me, hit woman. Oh, I'm so weak there. Can you teach me how to nugget? No, I'm not with it. Cause I'm swag and I'm surf, and you already know I smack you on the floor cause you're artificial like turf.
I'm about whatever. Fuck what they be talking about. Their opinion doesn't count. We the only thing that matters. So we do it how we do it. All up in the face, man. I hate to put you.
I feel like doing something else because I was just done. I just typed in OVR and I put equal sign and I got over by Drake. And this is like the real song. That's so bad. That's so bad.